shocking news, Bonang reveals what she misses the most about AKA. Out of everything that power couple, Bonang Matheba and AKA did and shared together, we finally know what she misses most about him in their relationship. Bonang revealed on the second episode of her reality show, Being Bonang, how hard it has been to spend Sundays without AKA. You know when it's the most painful? On Sundays, she said to Pinky Girl. She then went on to explain further in her video diary. That's the one thing I realized, Sundays are super long and you feel every moment. After watching Sunday television, and it's still not even midnight, you're like, what am I gonna do with myself? According to the Queen Bee, she and her former boo would wake up on Sundays, she would make lunch and then they would chill or maybe go out. But one thing's for sure, Bonang says she would never go back to him. Yeah.